Whoa, getting out a package? All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from SALTMUSTFLOW. So feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items from the salty cracker channels across various platforms. Again, from the salty cracker and the merchandise from SALTMUSTFLOW. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. I was actually looking for just from t-shirts, and I noticed these were on their website, so I went ahead and got some. Let's see here. Looks like they're individually wrapped, and I got a packing slip. Very cool. So these are actually a design from the Salt Queen. So those who know who all these folks are will know the people involved with the Salty Cracker channel. And let's take a look at this one. I just got a few sizes here, and these are heat sealed, so go ahead and break the seal on the bag. And you can see this design is the Don't Eat Me Bro design. You can see here, cat figure and website at the bottom. These come in a variety of colors and sizes. I just happen to pick this one, very neutral color. Ooh, cool. Here on the sleeve, you can see here one of the other logos. Very curious. And nothing on the back. Plain back design for this particular shirt design. Here's a look at the tags. So this is canvas, 100% cotton. Very nice. So again, just something from SALTMUSTFLOW, the Salty Cracker Network. So you can see their various logos. This has been another unboxing or unbagging video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curious or the Curious, videos in more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.